This isn't a story for the faint of heart. This is a story of survival. It started out innocently enough. Ended up being a fight for our lives.
Is this Archie?
Hang on a second. Okay, I'm back. Anyway. We set out 6 months ago on a safari type trip at the Atlanta Zoo. And when we got back, some time passed. It turns out some trips stay with you. In fact, they come with you. This is our story. What's up, Jess?
I don't know. I mean, it's pretty crazy. They just said that a bunch of animals have escaped from the Atlanta Zoo, and I'm really kind of scared because
Oh my
we live
gosh.
in that area.
Where are they?
I don't know. I mean, I really don't know. Oh my God.
Alright, we took care of the tiger. They chased it off with a broom that I found in the garage somewhere. It wasn't a very smart tiger. It was, he was like a little baby tiger after. I mean, he looked huge. I mean, he was big. But after a while, he's just like a little baby. He was the scariest little tiger I'd ever seen. And I fought the tiger. I fought him hard and good. Good and hard. It wasn't easy. But I wasn't gonna let no damn tiger ruin my day. See, I had planned on grilling out that day. And I wasn't gonna let anything stop me. No tigers, no lions, no bears, no nothing. It's just me and the world. I wish I could say the world lost. Scars, my friend. Scars I will carry with me to my grave. Deep scars. So I'm just chilling out here. It's a beautiful day. Smoking a cigarette. Gonna grill later. It's gonna be awesome. Just enjoying this beautiful, beautiful day. What the hell? Well, I said I was gonna grill. Damn it, I'm gonna grill. I don't care. T-Rexes, tigers, freaking dragon can come out of the sky. I don't care. Ain't nothing gonna stop me. Who left these bananas over here? Outsmarted by a chimp. They should call him Chumps. 'Cause that's what he is, a chump. Where'd he go anyway? What's that noise? Oh, okay, thank God. It's just Jesse. It's just Jesse with the weed at whacker. Oh, who knows what that could have been. Are you okay?
Yes.
That was crazy. Did you see that? Of course you saw it. You were right there. All right, this is it. It's getting serious now. Hey, Prince. We got Prince out here. Jesse, arm yourself. Here you go. All right, Jess, head out there and show him what you're made of. Let's do it. Ain't nothing gonna happen. You know what? I wonder how strong those animals really are. Oh shit! Jesse, run this way! Run this way! Quick! I don't understand it. I mean, first the T-Rex, then the tiger, then the chump. Stupid monkey. And now they're throwing helicopters at us and cars. How can they throw cars at us? It makes no sense. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. I'm trying to just, I'm out here and seeing if is anybody else having problems like we are today? Not making no sense. Oh no. I'm speechless. No words. I broke, okay? Is that what you want to hear? I broke. Stampede of dinosaurs running down the road. You see if you break too. We were lost. Two young kids in the middle of all that. I went back to the house, I cleared my head, had a beer or two. I gathered my senses and I went back out there. After everything had cooled off, everything seemed fine. And I went back out there to check on the situation. I thought the danger had passed. If ever I'd been wrong, I was wrong that day. Danger had not passed. If only we had known. If only we could have prepared. Because of what happened, I sit here before you today, the man I am. Or should I say, the man they made me.
Okay, so Kevin is going and making sure that we're okay because of the stampede earlier, and he told me he could handle it. I really hope so. So I guess we'll see. He should be coming around the corner here shortly. Okay, oh, there he is. Oh my God.
These animals want to mess with me. All right. You know what I say? Bring it on. I wasn't expecting this. That's it. Sword be true. It's over. I defeated the dragon.
Are all the animals gone?
Yes. They're gone. The animals were gone. All of them. I wasn't lying when I said that. I watched the rest of them run off into the sunset. What more could they have done? The dragon had been slain. They had no more power. I wasn't lying when I said I was a changed man because of all this. I don't know how anybody could go through this and not be changed. But for the better. I'm tougher. I'm not so naive. Well, that's the end. I hope you learn from this story. Don't take anything for granted, because it might come up to your house and bite you on the ass. Alright, see you later.
Ha 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 ha!